So I have this simple website here with Next.js and Tailwindcss. And what I want to do, I want to improve its implementation a bit. So I will move back to IDE. So I'm using Cursor AI. And then what we have here, we have a one pager. So this is all in one page. I don't have separate components yet. So what I will do, I will ask Cursor AI to refactor it in a way, because so this list here, this list of the links, it's used only in the header area, but it's not used for any other parts. So what I want to do, so I want to have the same links as I have here for this our offerings part. So I want to use the same list. Or as a next step, what we can also do, we can have a list on the list with all the links and show only first part in this header area. So let's start actually with this one. Here I will navigate to this part, which is right column. I will open the composer part. Let me reset. So this is the same file. I will make sure that I have this page selected, as well as this code snippet here, so I can help AI to choose the right code for refactoring. And then first task will be extract all links into a variable list. Let's make it dictionary with list of links. So I didn't actually include the snippet part here. I want to see how this actually will work with this simple prompt without any extra information for now. Okay, so it actually understood my instruction very well. What it did, it took this navigation as an example and improved it a bit. And actually this is better than I was actually thinking. So now we have header part and then footer part. And then this is dictionary, and actually the second one is actually dictionary of dictionary. So perfectly fine for now. And then obviously it will just navigate it here through this dictionary. So let's also see if final result is the same. Yeah. So it also break our UI a little. So let's try to fix this. So what it did, so this happens quite often. So what it did, it actually break the UI, changed the UI without actually keeping the previous styling in place. So let me try to fix this with another prompt. A variable is good, but do not change style the UI elements. So now let's see how this will change it. So it's applying back okay, I think this looks okay code-wise, but yeah. So now we have, you see, so now we have, so it removed the left part, which is very strange. Why would you, so it removed this left column. I will try one more prompt, but I think even for now, actually what we can do, we can just take this part and then, so okay, let me try to copy paste, and then we will try this one more. Prompt do not change footer or header, only use new variable. So it's our third iteration. Sometimes it is a little faster if you do it yourself or start writing the code. So for example, I could start writing, refactoring this as a dictionary, and then it would help with like you type and it just auto completes. Maybe this could have been better and quicker. But it's also fun to sometimes challenge it a bit. So what it did, yeah, I think it didn't change much. It's still in the here. Yeah, so what it did actually, it applied this prompt to the latest version. So for now, we'll keep it. Yeah, and then we will need to get back. Let me do this a bit differently. So let's see, no. So we keep all this stuff. So I want to keep this an example. Then, so this, okay, I cannot copy this properly. So let me try this, something like this. It created more work actually. Okay, so now we have this part. And what I can do, I can just bring back this left side. Let's see if it works. So footer, mix auto. So this second one is also changed, which I don't like. So from here. So this is the right one. Maybe we close here, right? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, oh, it's better. And we put the comment back. So this is div. I want to just isolate this div for to have it visually better. And now what I will do, I will try to change it to see API. Okay. Yeah, so just added here. So what I want to do, I want to align all these columns on the top part. Let's see if we can do this extra thing. This time I will use inline editing. So let's say we select this and Command K will do this. Align all columns, content on top. Let's see. I'm not sure if this is actually a good instruction, but I want to see if it understands what I intend to do in this case. Yeah, it got it very right. So now we have alignment. So if I add more links, this will not break the CUI, and it seems to be aligned also with the left side. So this is how you can do simple changes with AI. So what we did in this part, we added ourselves and then tried to use AI to improve this. Maybe what I will do, I will try another attempt with Cursor AI, and this time we will try to get this this UI elements from headless UI and replace it with Tailwind's implementation. So we can cut dependency on this library. For now, let me stop here, and then we will have another video doing only this part.